Good morning, students. Standard 5, Subject Science, Lesson 1, Organ System. Introductions. We get energy for our daily activities from the food we eat. How is the food converted into energy? It is through the process called digestion. Yes, after we eat the food, waste products are removed from the body. The process involved in this is called excretions. The next one, we need oxygen to survive. Our body gets oxygen through the process called respiration. These processes are carried out by different organs in our body. Different organs from the organ systems. In this lesson, we will study about different organ systems in our body and their functions. First one, digestive system. The food we eat consists of complex compounds like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. They have to be converted into simpler molecules like glucose, amino acid, fatty acid and glycerol respectively. These similar molecules are then assimilated either by blood or lymph in order to give us energy. The process of conversions of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestions. The digestive system divided into two types. First one, digestive tract, alimentary canal. The next one, digestive glands. First one, digestive tract. It is a coiled muscular tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It is about 6 to 9 meters long and consists of many specialized divisions. First one, mouth. All of you look at the picture. First one, mouth. The next one, buccal cavity. Third one, pancreas. Fourth one is esophagus. Next one, stomach. The next one, small intestine. Next one, large intestine. The next last one, anus. Then last one, digestive glands. Digestive glands. Three important digestive glands. First one, salivary glands. Second one, pancreas. Third one, liver. First one, salivary glands secrete saliva, which moistens food. Saliva contains enzymes which break down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. The next one, pancreas. Pancreas produce pancreatic juice which contain digestive enzymes for digestions. Fat, proteins and carbohydrates. Then next last one, liver. Liver produce bile for the digestion of fat. The next second system is respiratory system. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. There are three major parts forming the respiratory system. First one, airway. Second one, lungs. Third one, muscles of respirations. The respiratory system divided into three parts. First one, airway. Second one, lungs. Third one, muscles of respirations. If you look at the picture, first one, airway. The airway includes the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronch and lungs. It carries air between the lungs and the surroundings. First one, nostrils. Second one, nasal cavity. Third one, pharynx. Fourth one, larynx. Trachea. Bronchi. Last one, alveoli. Second one, lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. They are paired cone-shaped organ. They are located near the backbone on both sides of the heart. The next third one, muscles of respirations. Muscles of respiration include diaphragm and intercostal muscles. They act as pump and push the air into the out of the lungs during breathing. Okay students, I will stop my section. I hope you will be able to understand this class. Thank you. Have a nice day.